If you're looking for a CRM system that will manage all your business needs, definitely this video can be helpful for you, because in this video we're going to take a look at top 5 CRM systems available on the market. We will go over the pros and cons of each single CRM system available for now, and in the end of the story you will understand which company is better for your own business purposes. And also in the end of this video, we will share with you an information about the special discounted prices to our trusted CRM systems. So let's jump straight to business. Zoho CRM is on top list of customer relationship management tools for several years. It's one of the best known brands for small to mid-sized businesses, but the software's feature set rivals those found in most enterprise-grade CRMs. Last year, Zoho updated its analytics game with the addition of Zia, an AI-powered analytics engine you can use to get a better grip on sales anomalies and trends. The big news for 2022 is Canvas, Zoho's new drag-and-drop interface editor, which makes it possible to customize your CRM without relying on developers or consultants. In short, an excellent CRM package just got better. Zoho CRM is a great choice for remote teams and sales professionals who spend a lot of time in the field. Its mobile app for iPhone and Android offers many of the same functions as the desktop version and updates in real time, so the most current customer data is always available. So the pros are deep feature set, near total customizability, especially with Canvas Builder, flexible AI layer at higher price tiers, integrated gamification features, and cons are most advanced features only accessible at the higher price tiers. HubSpot. Customer relationship management software is ideal for capturing myriad sales data, but its real value lies in how companies can use the data to improve a sales team's performance and strategize business decisions. Small businesses that want the best reporting tools and performance insights in a CRM should really consider HubSpot. Its forever free plan includes more than 90 report templates that you can select and arrange in customizable dashboards. Popular reports include deal forecasts, sales funnel metrics, and sales activity insights on team productivity and individual sales agents' performance. HubSpot also generates reports on chat and email conversations in the team inbox to provide data on response times, how long it takes to resolve a message, and how well messages are distributed among team members. HubSpot's paid CRM solutions add a custom report builder so you can access the exact metric that you need. Custom filters fine-tune report results even further for detailed insights on everything from your website traffic to individual deals. So the pros of HubSpot are: has a workable free version, intuitive user interface make it easy to get up and running. It has outstanding email integration features. Cons are: pricing can add up once premium functions are added. Freshworks. Freshworks is a standout solution for sales professionals who make and receive many calls and need CRM software to capture the data those calls generate. You can easily tie your existing phone number to the CRM platform or buy a new local or toll-free number from over 90 countries with a single click. Mobile and vanity phone numbers are also available. Built-in phone options include call recording, call transfer, conference calling, and a widget that allows you to make calls right from Freshworks' sales page. You can configure agent extensions for quick call routing and set custom ringtones that callers will hear before the phone is answered to enhance the customer experience. Customized greetings and phone tree messages round out the personalization and branding options that makes interacting with the company a pleasant experience for your customers. Freshworks supports sales calls and other customer touchpoints with a comprehensive feature set that includes deal and account management, list segmentation, email sync, and website visitor activity tracking. Its artificial intelligence tool, Freddy AI, rounds out the package with a predictive context scoring, deal insights, and smart chatbots. Freshworks CRM plans are available at several price points, including sales-only and marketing-only tiers, so you only pay for the features you need. So the pros are: Fresh Sales simplifies the CRM process for small business. It has extensive customization options, proactive AI assistance, and various integrations to extend functionality. Cons: no reports available in the free plan. Zendesk. You'll know that sales strategies work best when everyone is on the same page, and Zendesk Sell is the right tool to maximize collaboration across departments. If your customer experience strategy extends beyond the sales team, you need a CRM solution that's up to the job. Commonly used across sales, marketing, and support teams, Zendesk Sell centralizes data from multiple customer touchpoints to avoid duplication of efforts or embarrassing miscommunications. Zendesk Sell's entry-level plan is a good choice for very small businesses and solo entrepreneurs. It includes core CRM features like a customizable sales pipeline, basic reports, and a team documentary repository. As an admin, you can assign individual team members to pipeline deals that notify employees outside the sales team of any changes or action items. So the pros are: improved pricing options. It offers a 360 view of contact interactions. It has a powerful analytics for additional insights. Cons are: uploading CSV files is tedious, and SMBs seeking a standalone CRM solution might find its feature set a little bit overwhelming. Salesforce. It is a familiar name in the CRM space, and for a good reason. It is the go-to solution for small businesses that anticipate growth and need a CRM that scales with them. Salesforce is packed with features, but its intuitive interface makes it easy to use regardless of technical knowledge. Very small teams and solo business owners value the account and lead management tools that track deals from lead to completion, and the built-in email integration with Gmail and Outlook. Customizable reports and dashboards update in real time to ensure sales professionals always have access to the most current data, and case management routine allows team members to move or escalate issues to other groups for rapid resolution. As your business grows, you can update plans for more functionality, including automatic lead scoring and collaborative forecasting for cross-team strategizing. Tools to create products, catalogs, quotes, contracts, and sales orders easily accommodate an expanding customer base or product line. Salesforce is really one of the best in-class CRM software solutions, with enough impressive features and add-ons to fit the demanding needs of any business. So the pros are: wide range of advanced features and customization, powerful social collaboration options and third-party app marketplace, outstanding workflow, and solid performance. Cons are: it comes with a steep learning curve and it's a little bit pricey. That's it, guys. Now you know all the pros and cons of each single company from the top 5 CRM list. All the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video down below, and you can get special discounted prices for our recommended CRM systems right now. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. Take care and see ya.